Alright, so I want to show you how I keep my interior super clean. Got no rips, no tear. Super clean. So here are some of the products I use. Everything from the outside to the inside. All Armor All products. For the interior, you want to have your leather wipes. That's if you have leather interior like me and you want it to last and be super clean. You want it to smell like, you know, you got that new car smell all day, every day. Then that's what you want to use. It's wipes that you basically wipe down your seats, and what it does is it moisturizes the leather. So it's kind of like putting on lotion on your skin, but the only thing you're doing it for your interior, and it's gonna make it look as clean as this. I did it already. I want to show you what the wipes look like, but you can imagine like baby wipes. You just want to take it and just wipe down your seats, wipe it down thoroughly, make sure it's nice and soaked in it, and you get this. Once the sun hit it, like if you have your car parked up sitting in the sun, I usually have these came with the car. I never changed these, that's why I don't like that. But you want to get some visors to protect like your dash and stuff. My dash is kind of like splitting in lines, but it ain't really too bad compared to some of the set I seen. Like they really bought for these cars. But I got it like this, so whoever had the car before definitely was taking care of it. They just probably had it sitting in the sun a lot or wasn't washing it often. And as you can see, I don't really, when it comes to having my car clean, that's what I do. I use wash and wax every day. Like check this out. Like you can see, like I'm really about that. You can see there's another wipe container down now. Like I don't play when it comes to having my car interior clean. Like I want to make sure every day it's super clean every day. It needs to vacuum right now. I gotta get a next Handheld vacuum. It's kind of dirty back there, but overall it's really clean. And these are the products I use. Everything from this is for the tires. I gotta get some more of this. I gotta get some more of this also. So foam cleaners is what I use, or this right here. I don't really put on that you know, there's that shine that you have to like paint on the tires. I don't really do that. I just go for the foam or this. I go for anything that doesn't really splatter as you drive, you know, to make the whole car dirty again. I don't really do that kind of stuff. So I go for the foam. That way when you spray this on your tire, my wheels are plasti dip. I kind of probably have to do spray some more of it, but I go for this and I spray it on and let it sit. That way when I do go drive off or whatever, it doesn't really like flicker on the side of the car, and you don't really want that. So I go for this. I usually get them in the bigger. I usually get the kit and it comes with the bigger one of this. If I don't, then I'll pick up one of these and spray it on the tire, and as you can see, look at that. It leaves it pretty clean. So these are some of the stuff you want to get if you're really serious about keeping your car clean. Like a turn off for me is when I go, like if you purchasing a car and you go and you look at a car, the outside is it half decent, and then you look on the inside and you notice like it's super ripped up. Like that shit is a turn off. Even though you're gonna replace it, it's still a turn off though. It says that this person really just didn't give a shit. So when you go to sell a car like this and someone walk inside and they see like everything is in order, and you know, they're gonna basically assume that you take care of whatever you have, and this shows it. So These are some of the products you want to get. This usually comes in a kit. Look for it, pick it up. This is what I use for like the panels and stuff like that. Is this, because your car is going to be sitting in the sun, so you want to protect it just like your skin. If you was to go in the sun and, you know, sit there with no moisturizer or whatever, you know, your skin is going to get damaged. So treat your interior just like your skin. Treat your car just like you would treat yourself. Bathe it every day, and it's gonna last. You know, look at it, super clean every day, all day, every day, super clean. So stop being nasty and clean your shit properly.